Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to claim accounts on Pinterest. Let's say you want to claim accounts on Pinterest. How do you do that? It's quite simple. From your home page, you click on your profile card top right corner, click on view profile, and then click on edit profile. Give you a few seconds to load. And so once you click on edit profile, the next thing you're going to do is go here. You're going to click on claim the account by the left side menu. And then to give you the accounts you can claim, like Instagram, Facebook, and the rest of them. And so here you can claim on Instagram and website. When you claim an account, you can monitor analytics and ensure your name or brand name appears on every pin created from your site. So this is for Instagram. Connect your account to auto publish your Instagram post as pinned. If you want to do that, you click on claim and you continue from there. Then if you want to do for website, you click on claim also and you get attribution for all pins linking to your website on Pinterest. So from there, follow the on-screen prompt, and it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.